What's up, guys? I am back. Yeah. The reason I'm vlogging today is because I'm actually not vlogging using my big camera, so my arm hurts, but it's because a while ago when I did a room tour for the first time, I said that I was getting my room redone, and now that it's done, I am just filming an updated room tour, and it's pretty different. Like, there's some stuff that's the same. Obviously, we didn't make any huge changes, but I love it so much, and I'm so excited. So if you like it, give a thumbs up, all that fun, lovely stuff, and my arm hurts, so I'm gonna turn the camera around and use both hands. Woo! See my closet? It's probably neater, maybe. Just have some random stuff. My bags, coats, stuff. I got a new fan because my other one was kind of cramped in my style. And then I put only one of my laundry bins over here. This is like some Dyson fan. I don't know. It doesn't really look like a fan, but I like it. You see my new dresser. So it looks like this. Got all them drawers. We got more space. You know what's in the drawers. Clothes. Wow. I have this little thing. I don't usually have these flowers here. I actually just got them. And I have my little aesthetic display. And I just bought a marble tray from like Crate and Barrel or something. And I just put fun things on it. So that's that. I have a new chair. It's a fuzzy chair. It's kind of amazing. I filmed my other video and stuff. It's really messy because I'm packing for vacation. Really cool curtain. I don't know if you can see. I'll try to lay down. It's an ombre white to gray, and it goes across the whole room. Here I still have this little nightstand right here. Some like books and a candle and whatnot. Here is my bed. It's lovely. It's a queen bed, and I have this amazing blanket that I got. It's so fluffy, and I'm kind of obsessed with it. And my favorite part about this room is the neon sign. It says, I woke up like this. Because I thought it was funny because it's like in front of a bed, you know?
Okay.
And I'm obsessed with it. It's amazing. I'm pretty sure we got it custom made. It's pink. And right now I don't have a remote control for it. So I have to like go under my bed and like pull a little cord. Oh no. But I do have a dimmer so I can like turn it up and down, if that makes any sense. So I can make it really bright, or I can make it not so bright. And then over here, after you see my bed, I have a new desk. It's really messy. I've kind of just shoved a bunch of random stuff. Notebook, laptop, blah, whatever. Boring. And then this stuff, medical stuff, is usually in these drawers. But because we're packing for vacation, we took it out. This is my camera drawer. So right now I actually don't have that much stuff in here because I took both my main camera and my vlog camera out for the trip. But in here I just have like SD card lenses. Here we go. I have a Polaroid back there too. This is my like technology drawer. I have like Beats, my iPad, speaker, portable charger, and like cords and stuff. Yeah. And then here's the bathroom. Hello. It's basically the same. It's just more organized. Like this drawer, lovely. Have my stuff in here. Shampoo. And then my makeup. I got so much new makeup that I'm obsessed with, like palettes that are packed for vacation. That's why this is like this. But I have a bunch of palettes that I really like. This was reorganized. So that makes me happy. And then also we got this, which is basically just random stuff. This is like band-aids and like, I don't know, nail files, medicine. I don't know. I've worn this sweatshirt in like the past 7 videos, so I'm sorry, not sorry. I also got a mirror, full-length mirror, because before I would like have to stand up, and this is just so it doesn't scratch the wall. But oh my god, that freaks me out. That freaks me out. That is like, sup FBI. had to set my camera down because my noodle arms could not take it. I wasn't focused. But if you liked that video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I didn't say it in the intro, but follow me on Instagram. It's pretty lit, you know? And yeah, comment down below what you would want to see next. And yeah, love you guys. XOXO. Bye.